YouTube, what's up guys? Coming from the side of the road with an abandoned Celica. So this guy's actually a subscriber. How cool is that? He's moving off to college. The car is dead. It's a rebuilt title with an automatic, and then it has no compression on the engine. So he's gonna be donating the car and getting rid of it. And I said, can I come buy the TRD kit off of you? And he said yes. So round number 3. This is crazy. 3rd authentic TRD kit. I'm stoked, I'm stoked. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna just jump into this car and start pulling everything off. We're gonna go for the front bumper. It's in pretty decent condition, it's all right. Again, I'm gonna have Clayton, my painter, fix it all up. We're gonna do the TRD authentic side skirts. We're gonna do the TRD rear lip. He has some TYCs. I like those. We're gonna take those. We're gonna take the original authentic wing, that rear lip again. We'll take this side skirt as well. And then I'll get them all primered for you guys and have them up for sale. This is awesome. It actually has all the grills. So top grill, bottom grill. And then it has the fog lights as well. So it's in pretty okay. It has a lot of the parts. There's no major structural damage. So it's looking pretty good. It'll be able to be primered, painted, and looked amazing for someone's car. But let's start the work. Pretty cool. He came up and he's like, dude, I watch your videos. How awesome is that? Appreciate you, man. That's so cool. Good luck with school. He's going off to school. So we're gonna start, I'm actually gonna start, we're gonna do the front first. So let's go ahead. I brought a jack and some jack stands and all my tools. We'll do the front bumper and work our way back. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we got it up on one jack stand. It's hard because it's so close to the curb to get my jack underneath this one. We'll see what I can do. The car is slammed too. I think it's, I don't know what it's on, but it's some kind of aftermarket spring for sure. It was a 2ZZ, or it is a 2ZZ. It probably just has a rod knock or something like that, spun bearing. There's quite a bit of oil on the firewall back there. Automatic transmission. And then someone put blue wrap all over the car, which is kind of cool. And then he painted the dash black. I don't recommend you guys painting the dash black. This is a, I can tell you what year it is. This is not my desired year. It's pre-facelift. So it'll be 08 of 01. So this is a 2001 is the manufacturing date right there. All right, I did make a mistake. I should wear gloves. My hands are getting dirty. About 10 minutes, I was able to get the front off. It's not off yet, but it's ready to come off. All I gotta do is pull this. Let me pull this one real quick here. The individual who had this on here zip tied all the lower half. So it was pretty easy to get that. I just cut all the zip ties. 4 10 millimeters and then 2 10 millimeters on the sides into the fenders, and then the rest are zip tied, easy to pop off. Bam, just like that, this is off. This is like the holy grail of TRD parts. Everyone wants a TRD front bumper. It's pretty aggressive. It's the most aggressive, I think. It's way more aggressive than my Tsunami. So this will be for sale. We're gonna make it look perfect though, so when the buyer gets it, they're gonna love it. It's gonna be all primer just like the other ones are. These are a fortune from a dealership if they have them. I think they're discontinued now. But we're gonna go ahead and remove his license plate so he can keep that, and we'll go ahead and shove that the bumper in the car. All right, so we got that off. Let's go ahead and move on to the side skirts. Boy, it is a windy day over here. So we're gonna do the OEM side skirts. We'll pop those off, and then we'll pop off the rear. We're gonna take the TYC lights, and of course that wing. We can't forget the wing. That's what everyone wants too. Okay, I did pull off the raised C1 hood scoop paint match to his car. We'll primer this. These are aggressive. They look good. And then I did bust off that second driver side, first driver side skirt TRD. That looks awesome. So bam, got that done. Bam, got that done. I've been out here for like 15 minutes. I'm cruising along. It's got blue everything on here. We'll try my best to get this, see how I can do this one since it's kind of against the curb, and then we'll move on to the rear. All right, I was rolling around in the grass for that one. I was able to use the jack to move the car a little bit further away. It's so hot right now. Away from the curb, and then I was able to pop that side skirt off. So 2 OEM authentic TRD side skirts that are in real decent condition and will be perfect when they're primered. Now we got to move on to this authentic rear lip, and then we'll move on to that. And I did get the hood scoop, and then I do want the third brake light cover. So I'm gonna pop this off too. And then, that's it. The Celica can go to the junkyard. So sad. Another one dies, another one bites the dust. Boom, full kit. Ah, crap, I'm getting dirty. I was wrong. I was big time wrong. I want them, but I don't want to leave this car sitting on jack stands. There's TN coils right there. Oh my gosh, real TN coils. Those are worth a bunch. I don't know if they're still good or not, if they've been blown, but look, TN coils, coilovers. I want them. I just don't have all the stuff to do it. And then, I don't know what this is. Some kind of racing exhaust. Oh, Tanabe, a medallion. So here's a Tanabe exhaust. So here's a Tanabe exhaust, full TRD kit, TN lowering springs, OEM GTS wheels, TYC tails. These are hard to find, and then a TRD wing. So we're gonna leave the wheels. We're gonna leave the the shocks because I think he's donating the rest of this car, and it'll just get crunched. It'll go to salvage. But yeah, let's just get the rest of this off and then head out. I'm getting too dirty. TRD rings from factory are super hard to remove because they 3M the whole thing here. So I know this car's going to the junkyard, so I did use a flathead screwdriver to pop it off. Very difficult to get it to come off, but I take it back. This is probably the iconic, most prized possession, not the front bumper, but the TRD wing. Ah, they're both really, really good. So let me go ahead and unplug the third brake light. All right. So about an hour and 30 minutes to get the whole thing off. Not too bad. Oh man, this Celica's dead. Sad to see it go. It had cool everything on it. Full TRD kit, authentic. Had 2ZZ. Too bad it was a manual. This thing would have been through the roof. Too bad the engine went bad on it. Cross-drilled slotted rotors for the brakes. Had a really cool TN coilovers, which if I had all my tools I would get, but I don't have all my tools. I had the Tanabe exhaust. I could get that, but I don't really like the sound of those, and they look kind of ricey in my opinion. TYCs are rare, those are cool. TRD wing, oh, I almost forgot, I could get that third brake light cover. I'm glad it came back. And we have to put the car on the ground. So we'll put the car on the ground, grab that third brake light cover, and then move on. I was able to get everything in the SUV. I gotta go find a truck. I gotta buy a truck. But yeah, we got it all in here. Dang, that's awesome. So I'm probably gonna go straight to my painter and get these all painted. All right, I just dropped the entire kit off to get painted. It will be primered, so when you guys go to buy it, it'll look mint. He'll make it all smooth, make everything perfect looking. So there, we're done. We're good. All good. Man, that is a lot of work. I feel good though, that way I got it done. It's nice to have another authentic kit, especially since that car was going to the junkyard. How cool is it that we were able to save that kit? That's gonna go on one of your guys' cars, and it'll look amazing for years to come. TRD kits make the Celica's value go way through the roof. Like if you just have a normal stock GT, stock body, they're like a couple, $3,000, $4,000. If you have like a GTS TRD action package, it's like they're like 10 grand now. Everyone wants them. So this kit will be for sale. It'll be on MITCHDORE.com. The tsunami spoiler and the rear lip, and then one TRD skirt is he just finished priming it, but it's gonna dry, so I'll come pick it up in a couple days, probably when I pick up the entire kit. Again, that'll probably be a week from now. When I posted this on MITCHDORE.com last time, the other full kit, it sold within like 16 hours, and then the rear lip kit and the side skirts, the other one, that action package I did, went to Australia, and it sold like in 5 hours of it being listed. So if you want one of these kits, they're really hard to find. I don't know why they keep on following, and most of the cars I find, they're either going to a junkyard and the car is on its end of its life. So I'm very happy I found them. My car that I had, the red one, the 2003, that car, the kit actually came from a junkyard. So, I mean, I saved it from a junkyard. So they might get crushed. So I'm glad I was able to get them, because when you crush a car, it's gone, man. It's totally gone. So make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab some merch on there. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. That was an experience. That was a on the side of the road, ripping TRD parts off. That was fun. like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.